Get out of it. Take my time. Straight away, I've got a left lane closing straight away, so I've just got to be careful. Get to the point where I can pull out. Here comes a gap. I'm going to pull out now and edge into that gap straight away. So you can't angle round when it's like that. You've got to make sure you've got a gap and get into it. And obviously, if you approach things from quite far away, you've got time to react to it. But because I've come out of a petrol station, I didn't have time. Now we're going to go right at the roundabout. So sensor mirror right, signalling, dropping down to second gear, taking the third exit. I'm just waiting, bit of traffic here because of the one lane closure. Get close to the junction. See what's going on my right. He's going left, so I'm going to make a move. Back to second gear, following it round. Pop it in third gear. Coming off, mirror signal left, being careful not to hit the cones. It's important that when you're following cars and there's lots of cones, do keep a gap from the car in front of you, more than what you'd normally do. And that way, if the worst happens, I'll get to the left lane now, they actually clip a cone, a truck or a bus is a good example, then it's going to flick up and it's going to have more chance of settling on the ground and you've got more chance of slowing down, stopping. But if you're right over the back of the car or the truck behind you, then you've got a problem. Now we've got the same sort of thing coming on here, saying 200 yards, left lane's going to close. So I'm going to start looking to change lanes because I want to get into the lane before it gets too late. And it's saying get across. So I can see it starting to close and it's slowing down to 40 miles an hour. And I'm just going to stay where I am, checking that left mirrors, make sure no one's trying to shoot past me on the left, which is what some people do. You know, they want to get ahead of you sometimes. You know, a bit silly sometimes. And we're going to go ahead. Now, I'm not sure if it's still one lane when I come off the roundabout, so I've just got to be careful that when I come off, it's actually safe. There we go. So I'll stay in the right, yeah, it's telling me the left lane's closing still. Checking my mirrors, signalling. See, it told me on the roundabout then, didn't it, that the left lane's still closed. And cancelling. Building my speed up. And it's only 40 miles an hour at the moment until I get to the end. And you can see in the distance where that truck is flashing amber light, it goes back to national speed limit, which is 70 miles an hour, providing it's a dual carriageway, that is. So even though it's saying national speed limit now, it's a single carriageway which is 60 miles an hour because of the roadworks. And I'm not going to do 60 because I'm just going to be cautious because of all the cones. Because there's bends and there could be a cone in the road like I talked about. So it's being sensible with your speeds and not taking silly risks. It looks like it's closing at this point. So I'm going to pop it into third, pop it and look to come across. There we go. Cancel signal. And we're going to go ahead at these two roundabouts. So we're going to go ahead on both of them. Nothing too tricky. It might look tricky, but it's not. And I'm going to use the middle lane because it has the middle or left goes left. So that's where I want to go ahead because there's no directly ahead. And I'm entering and I'm coming across and it becomes a right turn to go across to go ahead. And I'm checking what's happening on the right. Bringing myself round, checking, nothing's there, so I'm definitely coming across at this point. If something was there on my right, I'll be going in the right lane, if you know. And we'll carry on going. So it's a bit clearer now, we're back on the dual carriageways, things are looking clear. And we're getting rid of all the roadworks, so that was it, just a bit of roadworks. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have, fantastic, and be safe on the roads.